Hey, welcome to Vlogmas day number 8. I know, I have a kitty down here. I know, I missed Vlogmas day number 7, and I even recorded the night before, because my mom made me this amazing dinner, and you're going to be seeing it across my face right now as I talk about it, but it was this amazing steak, and potato and salad and everything, so it was an amazing dinner. So I really enjoyed that. And then I got home and I ended up staying up till about 2:30 a.m. I was working on something for work, and sometimes I do my best work in the wee hours of the morning, so I was doing that, and so the next day I was tired. So that being said, I napped and catched up on shows and some of my crochet yesterday instead of creating a Vlogmas post. So that's the reason why I did not finish or did not post anything last night. I have not completely caught up on my blankets yet, but I'm working on it. So I did get caught up on this one. So now I just need to keep up with my 4 rows. I do 4 rows a day. But this is where I'm at with this one. And my husband has already claimed it. He is loving the look of this. He said that I needed to make it super long so that he can pull it up over his head and be completely covered, which means I need to get about 2 more of each color that's in here, because I am almost at the end of the first ball of this, and I only have 1 more ball of each, so I probably need to get 2 more balls of each. And of course, most of these colors are not easy to find anymore, so that's just the way it goes, right? I'm gonna have to overpay for the last 8 balls to finish up this blanket, but it'll be worth it. My husband loves it. He actually does not have anything crocheted by me, so this will be his blanket. It'll kind of be our blanket, but it feels a little thermal, you know, as opposed to soft. And he prefers like a thermal type blanket, and I prefer the soft, you know, these kind of blankets that are super duper soft. So it works out great. And then our bedspread's gray, so you know, with the gray that's this color, I think it'll blend in well with our bedroom, and then he can snuggle up with it at night and get super duper cozy and warm. So the next one I'm going to start working on catching up with is this one, my gray, white and red one. I'm still at the same spot, so I'm going to be working on that tonight, and then tomorrow, because I really need to get caught up on this one, I'm going to be working on getting caught up on my green, red and white one. So those, I should have some significant progress on at least one of them, if not both of them, tomorrow. And of course, I'll add another 4 rows to my this one, the blanket I just showed you. So that's where I'm at with everything. And let's see, what else do we have going on? If you haven't yet, make sure you get over to Kate's at Bitch and Stitches and check out her Kitchener daily advent calendar postings that she's been doing. They are pretty darn awesome, and this advent calendar is pretty amazing. So yeah, make sure you go over there and check out what she's opening up there. And then of course we've got my friend Julie, and she's got her card chats, and if you use KineMaster, she's been putting up KineMaster tutorials, so go over there and check her out. And finally we have Ginger, Ginger, she is doing Countdown to Christmas. So, and what she's been doing lately is showing off some of her ornaments that she's had, you know, accumulated through the years, and as she's putting them on her Christmas tree. So it's kind of like you're there decorating with her. It's kind of awesome. So make sure you go over there and check her out as well. As for me, I'm going to continue working on blankets, and eventually I am going to get that towel done, and I'll show you that whenever it's done. I want to focus on catching up on the blankets, and then once that gets done, I'll work on the towel and make sure I get that done before Christmas. Actually, I can do it a little bit after Christmas, because my sister, I probably won't see her until the 27th, so I got a couple of extra days. Well, maybe like 1, yeah, 2, because I got the 25th and the 26th, so So I think that it'll be okay. And one thing I wanted to say to everybody is thank you all so much for the birthday messages that you left me. You guys all amaze me so much. Because I was a slacker and just napped and I caught up on TV shows yesterday, I did not go through and like everything, but I saw them come in and I so appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. Mwah, I really appreciate it. And yeah, so I am now 46 years old, not any wiser, and you know. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow, hopefully with more blanket stuff done. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing week. And thank you again so much for watching me today. You guys, I do have a story. I wanted to share. Okay, so I got, and I think I may have mentioned this in one of the lives this weekend, but I got the beef chunks to make beef stew. We love making stuff in our crock pot, especially this time of year. So anyway, I got stuff to make beef stew. So my husband, he goes to put everything in. He's putting it all together to make the beef stew, and it's cooking for hours already, right? Hours. I mean, like 6 hours. And I go to stir it, and I'm looking at it. And I come to realize that my husband does not know the meaning of a garlic clove. So the recipe, I believe, called for 4 garlic cloves, and instead of that, I found 4 full heads of garlic in the soup. So yeah. So that's how things are going today for me. I did finally I took out 3 of the heads of garlic. I'm going to take out the last head here in a minute. I probably should have just taken them all out because you can smell the garlic that's in that stew. I'm not sure if it's going to be edible. I'm crossing my fingers. It could be a ramen night. We're going to see. Maybe I just need to water it down. I don't know. Maybe we can just eat the meat and the veggies out of it and not eat the liquid that's in there. So it won't be as soupy. Anyway, honest mistake. Yeah, I texted him. I said, you do realize that a clove is not a full head of garlic, right? You text me back, oops. So, hey, you live and you learn, right? All right, that is really it for me today. You guys have an amazing day. And again, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Mwah. Bye-bye.